What's up, guys? It's Jason at Harmony Bakers with your Private Money Minute. Stop worrying about your top line revenue and be more concerned about your bottom line revenue. Now, what do I mean by this? Everybody wants to do more deals, own more properties, do more. And don't get me wrong, it's fine to scale, it's fine to do more business, it's fine to bring in top line revenue, but the important part is your bottom line revenue. I don't care if I bring in $1 million a year. If my bottom line revenue, if I only take home 40 grand, what's the point? That's a lot of hard work for not a good return. I remember being at a mastermind recently and I spoke to somebody and we're all talking about their goals and how many deals they plan to do. And he was like, listen, I only want to do, if I could only do one deal a year and make my number work and make the number I wanted based off one deal a year, that's all I would do. And I agree. We all work so much harder instead of working smarter. Instead of trying to do more and more, execute on what you currently have in place and maximize the profits on each one of your projects. Guaranteed you can probably do half as much deals and still make the same amount of money.